Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ṣé fídíò tó wá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi a sì máa play ẹ̀ fún yín tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́nu darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ẹ bá subscribe kẹ́ like kẹ́ comment so that ẹ lè máa jẹ àwọn àǹfààní tó ń lọ lórí ìkànnì ṣé ní fídíò tó wá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi tí mo ní máa play ẹ̀ fún yín àwọn àṣírí pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ ló wà nínú fídíò yẹn àwọn àṣírí tó wà ń bẹ̀ àtẹ̀yìnbó bá ti lọ wò ẹ máa pẹ́ nǹkan ó ń kọ́ nínú ìbọn ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ pa ejò ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yìí.
Dad is upstairs.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good evening. You're all very welcome. Good evening. Don't disturb my cat. Oh, yeah, don't disturb my cat, please. Àwọn ṣiṣẹ́ máa irritate me. Hello, everybody. You are all welcome. Why won't do me something? We are going to go on these 3 platforms. We're going to go on TikTok. We're going to go on YouTube. Secondly, I'll go on YouTube now. ṣiṣẹ́ plant. Listen, ọkọ mi. Ẹni o. You're lady Deba. Sorry, and then let me try and get if you are interested in all these pleated gowns, I have them. Okay, they are on sales. Pleated gowns that I have on, I have them on sales. The sleeveless, so you know. So let me straighten this one because this weather only go shade make my mouth solid only. If you're interested in gowns like this, I have them. And now for 70 euros, I have scarves reduced to 70 euros, and it's knee length. Short ones are sold out, above the knee is sold out, but this one is, sorry, not knee length, yeah, not knee length, sorry. These are maxi but pleated to flowy maxi. So I have them. I have scarves. I have sleeveless ones as well. Let me show you this one. Just so that you know the types in stock. These types. I have them all maxi. Okay, and then you can ribbon it. Sleeveless is in stock. Sleeveless is in stock. You know what I mean? There's sleeveless and there's sleeveless and there's multi-colors one like this, and it's maxi. It's maxi. They are on sales. Patronize money. Let me still show it to people. Let me still show it. I'll just show that. Wait, I'm coming. Let me on this thing first. Somebody just said to say it because people that want to listen to this sometimes I want to buy. They come for chats and they are not there for business time. Okay, where do I start from? I'm trying to go on YouTube now. Okay. It's flying. It's flying. Am I the only one? The weather is hot too. The weather is hot. This Eshishi is bullying itself. You're bullying, girl. This Eshishi is bullying me. Don't know. This fly is doing me something. Oh, hey. How can fly be chasing me like this in my house? Come here, please. Sorry. Don't use that. Why are you sweating? Is it raining outside? Oh, you ran inside. Good for you. That's okay, son. I'm busy now. Okay? Okay, I thought you wanted to disturb me. Hello, everybody. You're welcome. YouTubers, you're welcome. Before I go on TikTok, I want to gain some of you. Let me greet the people on Facebook. Naomi, hello, darling sister. God bless you. Hello, Naomi. How are you? Why are you, Yeye? Why are you sweating like this? I'm not sweating, no. I'm sweating. The weather is hot, and the fan is on. You understand? I don't think this one is menopause again now. This one is the weather. Abosede, I hope I answered you. Hello, Mal Green. Hello, darling sis. Abosede, you're very welcome. You're all very welcome. Adebisi, Court Clerk is welcome. Oluwafumi Adiola, you're all very welcome. Eunice, you're all welcome. Maxi is available. Let me show you people. All these Maxis, I have them. See? Space in here. See? It's maxi. Can be alter neck. You understand? Because I'm wearing something on that, so mama show. Can be alter neck. Not alter neck. Can be off shoulder. Off shoulder. You understand? It's really nice. It's pleated. Cut. And so we have in 2 designs, and it's on sale. Yeah, 70 euros. See, this one is another style, pleated. I hope you are seeing it well, though. See, we are seeing it well, though. Pleated, 100% silk, beautiful. Yeah, anyone. See, it's really nice. Let me just show it. For some people who didn't come on board, then we don't have this one again in big size. We only have small sizes. We only have size 14 and 12 in this one. Also sales. I see big size is gone. It's also sales. Size 14. It's jumpsuit. We have size 14. No more 16. 14 and see. Oh lovely. Look at the material. Look at. Also 70 euros. It's originally 150 euro. You can tell from the material gone sale. You understand? This one is meant, we were selling for 100 euro, but now it's 70 euro. If you are buying more than one, I'll sell it for 60 euro. If I buy more than one design, you understand? Maybe you're buying this color and you're buying this color, I'll sell it for 60 euro. I'm too nice. I'm too nice. This one we have only in size. We have only in size 12 and size 14. We don't have 16 anymore. It's sold out. So jumpsuit, okay, jumpsuit. It's beautiful. Look at. See, it's beautiful. So you Oshekeles, you can come now. We have it. I think there's even size 10. There's even size 10. So but we have short size 12, short size 14. You understand? And don't be worried about this thing. Now is hey, what do they call this? Big down, àbí kí ni wọ́n máa ń pè òyìnbó yẹn ò yé mi jàre. But it's jumpsuit. Can you see jumpsuit? It's 150 original price, going for 70 euros now. Okay, going for 70 euros now. I'm going for 70 euros now. So you're all very welcome. Hello everybody. How are you? Titi Layo, ṣebí o ti mọ àbí? Ṣebí o ti mọ kíní kan àpọ́n. These people, ṣebí o ti mọ ọjà sàpọ́n, ọjà àpọ́n àbí nǹkan kan. Tí mo ti gbàgbé màmá tó máa ń ta nǹkan fáwọn bachelors ní ṣe ìlú wo tiẹ̀ ni wọ́n sọ pé incident yẹn ti happen. Ọjà sàpọ́n àbí ọjà àpọ́n àbí ọjà kíní kan. Ṣebí o ti mọ. Boot cut, yes, correct. Okay. So let's go on TikTok. Sorry, I may allow TikTokers to talk. I was supposed to call my brother there, but he's upset with me. Yeah, kí lorúkọ àbúrò mi yìí náà. Boss man, he's upset with me, but we can ignore him. Doesn't matter, we ignore him. I don't want him to be feeling hyping himself now. When you now want me to come, I won't answer you. So ẹ jẹ́ ká filẹ̀. Ó lè rí mi ṣá kó wá o. Tó bá rí pé mo kọ̀ nà wá o. Maybe tó bá rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fẹ́ wá exciting, ó máa wá. But tó bá rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò jọ exciting, á dà mí nù. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to go on TikTok too. So those of you that are on TikTok, follow suit. If you're all very welcome. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Gbádùn ara mi gan. Máa ra dice block sí. It's club. It feels like bitter lemon, Schweppes feeling. I didn't know. You know I like bitter lemon. The Schweppes one that we take. So lately I didn't even know that all this Fanta and all this club, they do lemon like that tastes like Schweppes. I didn't know. Call boss man, but yeah, that alone, call ignore me. Pay. Well, it's only when she wants to come aboard, she will not be calling me. After he will doesn't. Only my binu pay. I'm always not so serious. So, if you want to drink it, just pour ice cubes in it and put it. Club sound, Harmony Club sound with club. They do nice lemon drink. Let me show you. I hope they won't give me problem. Let me not show you too before they will come and say it's brand konimolo show drink. I don't want trouble with this TikTok. I want to man purge. Hello everybody, you are all very welcome. I've been seeing the jagba dances going on the social media. I've been seeing some just scrolling. You know, I just want to say some things. You're all welcome. Please, TikTokers, those ones that are based in EU, So please, I sell all these things. They are on sales. Please let me go. I don't add TikTok people. See, I have it in stock. Yeah, all this they are on sales. pleated gown, 100% silk. Yeah. Let me show the okay, here, see, 100% silk. There's two designs in it. I mean, there's multicolor, and there's the sleeveless one. Those of you that love it sleeveless, with you know, you tie ribbon. You know what it is, how it will look on you. See, I have it, €70, going on sales. I have jumpsuit, I think from size 10, jumpsuit. See, this one is originally €150 from in the store. 150. So it's going for it's going for €70. See, it's jumpsuit. See, so boot cut shape. I have size 10. I have size 12. I have see the texture. See, very expensive, but it's going for €70. Okay, and I just want to show it to you people. I have all these things. It's all €70. All of them €70. If you buy this one, different designs, you know, different colors, different design, is more than one, I give it at €60. I'm too much now. Yeye, when is your Nicki Minaj challenge? Why video? Nobody did video. It's even my cut crack that are showing me Pepe. I said I want to do Nicki Minaj. Why are these people restricting me? Why are they always restricting me? Kilo far restriction. Why are you people at the Desafi welcome? Why are you people always restricting me on this TikTok? Well, that's why I always take off from you people. Gbogbo TikTokers, you ti sue me. That's why I always leave you people to go and be doing your lives. So you wala yin ti pọ̀jù. There is jashani. Oh yes, restriction every time. Kilo day. And you tell ni nǹkan tẹ́ fi life yín ṣe bí o bá ti jọ ìjà ṣá èébú kẹ́ máa gbé ọ̀tara yín ṣe pé good evening my sweetheart, Triple T Kitchen and Event Paris. God bless you. Yeah, well, please, I don't have any follower here. So what do you want me to do about it? Temansi Rodi. Everybody is on the battlefield. You need to go and do something. Create content. People will follow you. Why are you saying you don't have followers? Go and create content. People will follow you. Everybody is just doing what they can do. Go and create content. Go and bring something up, an idea, and start to. You can't just say they should follow you. What do you have to offer them before they follow you now? So as I was saying before, my darling brother or sister here now said she needs follower. He or she to needs follower. Go and create something, then they will follow you. Now, I have seen that. I don't think it's happening on YouTube, and if it's happening there, I'm surprised. But I see that they are doing a lot of rada on Facebook and on TikTok. I'm not really a fan of TikTok, I won't lie. I hardly come there. So I won't lie to you people. If I tell you that I know what is happening there, running more. Wallahi me mo nkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. But I know that Facebook, you know, when you log on, you will be seeing they'll cut some things from TikTok. They'll just call some things from there, and you will see that a lot is happening. A few days ago, when I was taking a walk in the on the road, I personally did a video and I addressed it to Iyabo Ojo. And it was just for 1 minute, maybe 20 seconds. Look here. Okay, look here. Yeah, where Bossman comes, he will come and give us updates. I just want to hear. I just want to come and cash cruise. But nevertheless, I'll just say some things to you people. And I can see that some of you bought bucket to come and cry blood under that chat. Some of you said, I'm fake. They are fake. They are labosi. Yeah, you seeking justice for everybody, eh? Some of you, and I saw that some of you have no sense. Majority had sense. But the few of you that didn't have sense, I didn't block all of you. Maybe I choose, like, maybe 4 to 8 of you, I block you people. When I saw that your own sense is really bad. But maybe 3, I left them so that people that have sense can educate some of them. Likes of them is Alima Shadia. She was well educated by people that have sense. On that, my 1 minute 30 seconds chat on Sunday. And after then, I have not had the opportunity to come talk a bit on it. My dear ones, I wouldn't be wasting much of my time to try and educate people on this matter. You can choose as you like to do it the way you want to do it. Believe whatever you choose to believe on social media. But I can tell you with my full chest, Mohbad's family ruined justice for Mohbad, especially Baba Mohbad and his wife. Quote me anywhere, I don't care. You people know where you go and abuse me. I don't bloody freaking care about any of you. Are you people hearing me? Hear me good. Hear me good. Hear me with your full chest. Understand me clearly. My advice to Iyabo Ojo is simply on the fact that it's quite clear that you people are just trying to hold on to somebody. You're just trying to hold on to somebody. Just somebody. Maybe because of your personal vendetta or your hatred. Number one, I must state clearly, nothing changes my feeling about VDM. I love VDM. Nobody can. He may not be doing things right or not right sometimes, which is normal. There are many times Iyabo to have done things that is not right in my eyes, and does not stop me from still liking her. Do you make sense from that? So it's not about coming to castigate VDM now. Are you people making sense for me? The reason why I'm just looking at VDM, yeah, sincerely, I will not lie to you people. I have not sat down one day to listen to what he has been saying. But the ones that they caught, that I have seen, I am still yet to see what will lead us to what took the life of Mohbad. That should be the ultimate, the motive. If anybody is to come out now and come and it should be primarily on what fired Mohbad. And you know, when I said to Iyabo, hold your peace, I mean it. Hold your peace. Some of you take it as alabosi. Who do I care? Not be you. Not be you people call me alabosi from beginning. Is it not you same you people? If I choose to start fighting Iyabo now, you same people will come out and say, Yeye Kudi is doing this, want to gbe. So it's not a new thing that many of you are just, if anybody comes out now and say many of you, your brain is not operating. You don't use your brain to think. This person that wants to gbe, is this person gbe or this person is using us to make money? I've looked at you people, a lot of you people doing justice for Mohbad, and I can see that sincerely, I don't think it's about education. is that the fact that many of you are very senseless. Baba Mohbad, with my full chest, I'm still saying it, and Wunmi, they ruined justice for Mohbad. And his family, his brother, his family, his mother, all of them, they are the ones that ruined justice for Mohbad. So holding anybody accountable for it is a waste of space. So if Naria Maley now wants to start fighting Iyabo Ojo, is that any of our business? Is that any of our business? Is that what took the life of Mohbad? Is that what took the life of Mohbad? To be sincere, who brought Naria Maley to all of us? Who were the people that sent out the video about Naria Maley and Sam Larry? Is it not Wunmi? Is it not Wunmi? Then followed by Gistlover. Is it not Wunmi that wrote 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line for us? And every one of us, we took side with somebody. Iyabo Ojo took side with Wunmi. I took side with Baba Mohbad. When I thought they were still telling us, Baba Mohbad was telling us the truth. When I thought he actually wanted justice for his child. Everybody took side. I took side with Baba Mohbad like this. Bí mo ṣe dúró ti gbagbagbari, kí n tó ṣe 360-degree turn around when I saw that they are all thieves. Iyabo Ojo also took side. All of us we were having meeting. Me, I was having meeting with Muiwa and Co, Bossman, who wasn't in a WhatsApp group. Who wasn't in a WhatsApp group? In that WhatsApp group, sometimes we will say, all these people, there were times I had suggested to, what's this man's name? Muiwa, that Muiwa, then when I used to respect him, you understand, I used to say, Mr. Muiwa, his name is Muiwa, I don't care. When I used to say, Mr. Muiwa, these people, they have been petitioning we that are stalking. As far as we were concerned, we were seeking justice for Mohbad, but we were with Baba Mohbad when I thought he was seeking justice for his son. I didn't think he came for money. Are you people getting me? Then let them go and bring out all those WhatsApp chat now, and they will not start to, okay, so, and they will not start to say, oh, I suggested that. Are they not going to petition all the people talking for Wunmi? They are cursing and doing everything towards us on TikTok, and they did nothing. This Muiwa. So, please, the reason why me, and when people come out and they are talking, I'll first of all ask you people, if you are coming to tell me anything about justice for Mohbad, it is that you are telling me this is what pied Mohbad. It's not what people are doing, how they are planning, how they were, planning to destroy you or planning to do anything. It has nothing to do with me and the reasonable people. It's only people that are vindictive, that have Iyabo in their hearts. They want to deal with Iyabo, that are in this matter. Sam Larry, long. If anybody is supposed to be updating for anybody, Sam Larry show ye ko lenu nibe sha. Naria Maley show ye ko lenu nibe. And you people, ni sense. Púpọ̀ nù yín, ni sense. Dele ni sense yẹn títí. Ọlọ́run máa fi dé tó máa pe every one of us lọ sílé. Senselessness, adọ́run mòtítọ́. It is glaring. Nobody is arguing it. Sam Larry bullied Mohbad. Naria Maley bullied Mohbad. Yes, even me, I said it here. Are they the ones that pied Mohbad? Are they? The answer is with the wife, Mohbad's wife, Adura, and kí làwọn tó kù, DJ Bami and Co. and Spending, and the nurse, because they were the ones with him from Ikorodu to when he died. Then the father went, saw what happened, went to bury evidence. When they updated for us, Wunmi told us, oh, her, una don't buy her husband. Take your trophy. Does that in any way direct us to the nurse gave injection? It was an understanding that, oh, what a pa mo. The same way everybody thought, àwọn wo ló would they be see do video jade? We now say more. We was shouting up and down. Hey, if anything happened to me, Naria Maley. Then when Mama Mohbad came out to talk to us, well, Naria Maley knew. Then you people, the same way we all took side, me took side, and many of you took side with Baba Mohbad. The same way Iyabo took side with Wunmi. Because pity part message to drop here. As far as Iyabo is concerned, she's taking side with a widow that is being harassed and bullied. Same way me taking side with Baba Mohbad, I thought Baba Mohbad is innocent. How can they buy his child? And they are not telling us what by the child when he told us his own side of the story. But thank God, the law have done the needful. The law have done the needful. And if Iyabo comes out to talk about, hey, because of our own personal experience or personal vendetta with Naria Maley, that is her own business. That is her business. In this, nobody can tell me Naria Maley. In fact, even if he did not buy Mohbad, which is glaring to me that I know that he's not the one that bought Mohbad directly. But everybody knows that Mohbad and Wunmi, all of them, they are all into drug. Mugbo. At least there was an evidence where one of them that Iyabo Ojo went to see when she came back from Canada. If you remember that boy that was doing like this, I think he was a DJ. I can't remember. It's a one yellow boy like that. Don't she buy to ni gong. She be under Naria Maley in Bemi. Are you people casting unnecessary stones? Splash. Thank you. Under Naria Maley in Beni. Under any Beni. And Wunmi and all of them. All of them. Adura, all of them. Adura was doing with Tonto. Wunmi is doing with Iyabo Ojo. We were doing with Baba Mohbad. Ejo, sọ fún mi nínú gbogbo what's that one? Mama Naira, Mama kí lorúkọ Mama boy Iya Mohbad. All of them. They are the ones we should be holding on to, because they are the only ones that knows the truth about what bite Mohbad. All of us took side, and all of us entered group. So if VDM now is not doing anything on analysis or anything or whatever he said he's doing, it should be what tied Mohbad. I and the people that are normal are interested in. It's not about personal vendetta that you people have with people. I'm more personal vendetta that some of you have towards me. So because of that, the word should drop. We all, all of us, we all abuse Sam Larry. All of us abuse Naria Maley. All of us are a party to it. We shared many things to say Naria Maley and Sam Larry must go down. All of us. And this is because Wunmi, GLB, they put us, they were the foremost to mislead us before Iyabo taking side with Wunmi did her own. And as someone that is influential, you people heard her voice. Of course, you heard her voice. Sam Clare, all of them, they raised money for Wunmi now. Did they raise money for Wunmi? They started the raising of fund for Wunmi. What was the raising of fund for? What was the raising of fund for? They raised money for her. Because they were taking sides with her. Same way, people were raising money for Baba Mohbad. Was Baba Mohbad supposed to be given a car? Is it not the child that died? What are you people talking about? Is it not his child that died? Is it car local? Was he supposed to be singing record and releasing music when they were still seeking justice for his son? As the same way Iyabo them were doing, Sam Clare, all of them were doing with Wunmi, we also were doing the same with Baba Mohbad. They are all thieves. Gbogbo wọn pátá ni. Nobody, all of us that took side with them, is either we have repented that we are guilty for taking side with them, and the court have done the needful for now. They have apportioned blame where it should be apportioned. And they have said it is the next they want to hold on to. Even though I wish the court can do more. But they have said it is the next that they want to hold on to. And they will charge her to court. And I think that's it. If that is what Baba Mohbad and Wunmi and Iya Mohbad, that's what they want. That's what they want. That is the ultimate they can get. So all these things you people are doing, that's why I said, when I was with Baba Mohbad and I discovered that all they are after is money, how to make the public and eat the public, all of them knew, but I'm talking on the side that where I stood, misappropriation of fund, everything, they are still yet to do accountability on it. Meanwhile, you people are now holding on to somebody that when it was glaring that they said that Naria Maley kpai the boy, Sam Larry kpai the boy. Is it not later, months later, Ori gbogbo abẹ́ sí pé that ṣé mumu ni wá ni? Are we mumus? If not for all these influencers, abi what would that call celebrity? Remember, they were the ones, when Iyabo came back, they were the ones that went to do rally. Davido came, our celebrities, many of them, Sam Clare, all of them, Iyabo Ojo, Tonto Dike inclusive. They were the ones that rally at a point gone. Sanwo-Olu banned rallying in Lagos State. Remember, Iyabo Ojo was supposed to do a particular rally. Though she was supporting Wunmi glaringly, she was supposed to do a particular rally where they were supposed to walk from Kiniko in Ikeja to the secretariat. Baba Yeni no. Sanwo-Olu said no more rally. Because the one that took place, the first one that took place that was a success, that my son Davido was there. Remember, there was tear gas because the boundary and they exceeded where Sanwo-Olu told them to reach. So tear gas iba law. So everybody remember Ensa, Pia, everything ended. And people that came and said yes, some hijackers, hooligans nearly hijacked that thing. Iyabo Ojo. And because of that rally, because of how celebrities stood up, Sanwo-Olu had no choice. And then that gave others the courage. Sanwo-Olu had no choice but to exhume evidence, which is more. Their voice so killer. All this noise people are making so far now. Please, how has that helped this case? Please, how has it helped this case? Rather, you people have succeeded in destroying justice for Mohbad, because everything you people have been saying, there's so much repetition, and I will still say my truth. Is it justice? This thing you people are doing, does it in any way seemingly look to you that you are seeking justice? This is not justice. This is content creating and making of money with Mohbad's name and gaining fame. To be very sincere, I like VDM. Nothing is going to change my mind about that. Me, I'm not. Anything can be happening between him and Iyabo. That is their business. But I must say in this matter, if not for Iyabo Ojo, nobody. The VDM gained fame through Iyabo Ojo. He should give that credit to Iyabo Ojo. Gained fame through Iyabo Ojo. Because if Iyabo Ojo had refused, as I advised her then, but she refused to listen, to ignore, then VDM was just maybe 500,000. It was after Iyabo climbed down a high horse and started exchanging words with someone she could bear as a child. That was when VDM skyrocketed. People wanted to know him. I will still continue to blame Iyabo, even though some people too can also blame me forever believing in Baba Mohbad. So it should be as simple as that. The family, his family, they are the ones you people should go and meet. And the court have decided that this is the outcome of the coroner inquest. There's nothing, I will say, that can happen. All these things you people are doing is more or less just bullying Iyabo's daughter and all those things. That's all what it. Naria Maley has, mind you, he has not yet been acquitted. He's only been discharged. He has not yet been acquitted. He's only been discharged. And to me, all I am seeing here is trying to bring a clean slate on Naria Maley. He is not also innocent. Naria Maley is not innocent. If we are to dig deep into the story of Mo, they are the ones, they were all taking drugs together. Naria Maley is known for his dynasty, or whatever you people call it, is known for drug taking. Is known for drug taking, and that's where Mo got. They were taking drug with Wunmi. They were all drug addicts. Tell yourselves the truth. Tell yourself the truth. Iyabo also knows Naria Maley on her own. So when she heard that it's Naria Maley, when the mother of the child herself said to us with a black gown, that woman, she said to us, it is Naira Maley, oh. My child kept on shouting Naria Maley. Where are those people now? Why are you people only holding on to Iyabo Ojo? That's why I said to her, you don't need to respond. If you know you are innocent, innocent that I mean, you don't have a hand in obstructing justice for Mo. You don't have a hand in obstructing justice for Mo. Then you owe nobody any explanation. Let everybody go and use their head to hit wall. Nothing will happen. Ẹ kàn máa pariwo lórí social media ni. Nothing will happen. The people that know what pied Mohbad, I will still continue to say it. is the wife, the nurse, Adura, kí ni orúkọ boy spending, Darosha, in fact, Mama Mohbad and Baba Mohbad. And that's why none of them is seeking justice for that boy. All of them, they are a horrible and lifestyle. Thank you. They are a horrible family. None of them is seeking justice for that son. So do not allow maybe VDM come out now. He's doing his own personal analysis. So far, oh, I cursed them. What has that got to do with what pied Mo? Kilo pa Mo. That is what our concern is. This fight between Naria Maley and what's their name? Kinikon, Iyabo and VDM is none of our business. It has nothing to do with what pied Mo. So nobody should use the sensible ones. Nobody should use the sensible ones. Nobody should use the sensible ones to go and fight their battle. Do not fight Naria Maley's battle for him. Don't fight Naria Maley's battle for him. Don't fight Iyabo's battle for her. She took side with Wunmi. Don't fight Naria Maley. He knows. When they were beating, when the PA, personal assistant, what's his name? Peter Abikiloruko Boboye, Mohbad's manager beat him in the house. Shebi, Naria Maley was there. Yes, I agree. The days, the time is what the court looked at. Are they the ones that pied Mohbad? Are they? Were they there? Or are they the ones that sent the nurse? It's their family. Folashade said she saw. This one said she saw. And these people kept on dribbling us. One family, they dribbled the whole of the world. One family, they dribbled the whole world. One family, they have been causing problem since 2 years ago. They refused to go and bury their son. One family, they have been causing problem in the whole of Nigeria. One family. So if anybody comes out now to come and tell you people something, why can't you ask, please, is this what pied Mohbad? We are interested in what pied Mohbad. You should not be gang fighting. You shouldn't even be supporting any of them, because Naria Maley, if not that he was discharged, will he have mouth now to come and be talking anyhow? Who cares if he has had something to do with this person before? Prissy, that is between Mama Prissy. Shebi Mama Prissy came out to talk to him with her mouth. Yeah, she mentioned with her mouth. That is their business. It's none of our business. Is that what pied Mohbad? Is that what pied Mohbad? Is that what pied that boy? Is that what pied that boy? They want to use us to be gang fighting. Don't, their fight, they want to say we should be taking side. No. I took side with Baba Mohbad. When I saw that he's a thief, I drop him. I enter. If he likes, let him allow them to find justice for that child. But the court have done the best they can do. And it's because the family, they are not cooperating. They have done the best they can do. So this one now, Naria Maley wants to come back to the world. He should go and look for people he wants to, and the mumus, you people can follow him. But stop disturbing our cyberspace. Stop disturbing our cyberspace. Naria Maley is also not a good influence in that country. Sam Larry is not a good influence in that country. Go and ask about them. They are not good influences. Any dynasty, any people that move with them, kids that they bring into their. Look at the other one. What's that boy's name? That one, Toti Benson. Oti Beba, Oma wash high heel. A boy like this, he sings very well. Odabi Aaron, he look like worm. Zeno. Look at what he turned to. Look at Zeno. When he's walking, you will think they put salt on worm. It's because he's moving with Naria Maley. They take drug there. All of them, when they were in that house, they were all taking drug, including Mohbad, including Wunmi. All of them, gbogbo. They were all taking all those things. Remember when they were telling us that night Mo was very high. He was very high. Prime Boy said it and everything. Later now, didn't you people start hearing the story coming out small? The story coming out small. Why is it that those people around Mohbad, the wife, all of them, they never told us the truth from the beginning? It would have just been simply, the nurse gave him injection. Abi, if she wanted to update for us, nurse gave him injection. The injection gbodi only anaphylactic reaction or whatever it is. It would have just been then later on there will be videos that will come out to show that before his demise, he was also bullied. We will know. Definitely that boy was bullied. Definitely that boy was bullied. But you can't come out now. Hey, boss. You can't come out now and want to come and guilt trip us or come and be using us for your own to come out clean. No. None of them has a clean slate. None of them. Who is saying I am a saint? Henry, the unfiltered dollar. Do I ask you that I am a saint? Did you not all hear me that I said I'm not a saint? None of us is a saint. Including you, fake ID. Nobody is a saint. Gbogbo èèyàn ni bàráwò. Ẹni tí lọ bá wọn bá ni thief. Nobody is a saint. Koko shilo. Who is demanding